Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to import data into Power BI desktop. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Let's begin. First, we click on Get Data. Then we select Excel Workbook, Connect, and select the file. My file has 3 tables. We press Load. And now the data is loaded into Power BI desktop file. The Power BI has 2 types of using the data. The first one is importing the data inside the Power BI file, and another one is live connection. So, for example, database or some server. Live connection can be slow because each time you change something, the Power BI need to go to the database, get the data, and then update your visual. But when you import the data, your data inside this file. So we have 3 new tables: orders, return, and users. We can see better the data inside the table view. Then we can go to the model view and see our tables. So let's check column 1 and column 2. So I don't like these names of column, so we will rename it. So in our case, we can't just rename these columns because the first row is the name of the column. To transform and shape our data, we need to select home and then it transform data. And we click here and some more advanced tools will appear. We need to rename these 2 columns. We need to move this first row as column name. And to make that, we go to transform and then press this one, use first row as header. And now we have the correct names for our columns. Then we go to home, close and apply. Now if we go back to this table view, we can see the correct column names. Now we go to the model view and Power BI automatically create a relationship between 2 tables, users and orders. For example, it use the region with the region in other table. In this case, the relationship is one to many. That means that one row from this table can have many rows from this table. This asterisk means many and one means one. We also can delete columns from here. For example, we have column 26 and 27, and we can right click and then delete. Then you click on this column, right click and delete. If this video was helpful, please don't not forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.